We are from Group 3G, and for our assignment, we are going to present about how does the new Microsoft Windows update the service support updates to large organizations such as university computer labs efficiently. Going to discuss about what is P2P and how it used by Windows Update Service, advantages of P2P networking compared to direct download, the disadvantages of P2P, and lastly, we are going to discuss about other services that use P2P.
What is peer-to-peer networking? Peer-to-peer is a distributed application architecture where multiple PCs share resources without a separate server computer. Unlike the server-client model, the peer-to-peer model allows each node to function as both a client and server, thus decentralizes the network. Microsoft decided to move on from delivering updates from a single source to peer-to-peer, where users have the ability to download apps and OS updates from multiple sources in order to obtain them faster, and it is to reduce bandwidth issues during the update process. However, the service is fully optional with several group policies that can be implemented. How the system works is either your PC receives updates from other PCs on the same network, or your PC receives updates from both the local network or the PCs on the web. It's partial bits from PCs with partial bits from Microsoft's data centers to update a computing environment. The peer-to-peer sharing will only be initiated when Microsoft delivers its larger updates. With this peer-to-peer system, Windows 10 will receive updates more frequently.
Advantages of peer-to-peer networking compared to direct download from update server. First, it is easier to set up because we can spend less time in the configuration and implementation of peer-to-peer. Second, it is less expensive because individual workstations are used to access the files. Next, peer-to-peer is more reliable. It is because if one computer fails, it will not interrupt any other part of the network. Last but not least, there's no need for specialist staff such as network technicians. It is because users set their own permissions as to which files they are willing to share. I will talk about disadvantages of P2P networking compared to direct download from an update server. First, data recovery and backup is difficult because files and folders cannot be centrally backup. Next, as the hub and switch are not used, so it will become slowed down when more users using it at the same time. It does not run efficiently on more than 10 computers. It is best to use with up to 8 computers only. It is not centrally controlled, so the whole accessibility setting of the whole network cannot be determined. It has low security that it can be easily accessed by other users unless you set a password. Virus can easily transmit it, and it is responsibility of individual user to prevent it. Hi, I'm Aisha, and I'm going to discuss about other services that use P2P networking. Firstly, open source software, which anybody can view and or modify code for the software. The second one is BitTorrent, a popular anonymous file sharing platform where uploaders and downloaders meet to swap media and software files. One is Uber, a platform for car owners to offer livery service to people seeking a taxi ride. And the fourth one is Spotify, uses P2P networking to efficiently stream real-time audio content on high demand. Also eBay, which is a marketplace for private sellers of goods to find interested buyers, and also Airbnb, which allows property owners to list all or part of their property to short-term renters. Lastly, Etsy, platform for producers of crafts and other homespun goods, can sell them directly to the public.
Created using Powtoon.